Student, so in this video we are going to start exercise 7.1. I have taken question number first, second part, that points, that coordinates are given -5, 7, -1, 3. So let A is a point, suppose -5, 7, and B is a point -1, 3. For example, if you want to make diagram, this is A -5, 7, and this is B -1, 3. So therefore x1 is equal to -5, y1 is equal to 7. x1 is equal to -5, y1 is equal to 7, and x2 equal to -1 and y2 equal to 3. x2 equal to -1 and y2 equal to 3. Now by using distance formula, AB is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this will be what? Root over x2 is what? -1 minus x1 minus of minus, this will be +5, directly I am writing square, plus y2 is what? 3 minus y1 is what? 7 whole square. So this will be +5 minus 1, 4 square, plus 3 minus 7, that is -4 square. Root over 16 plus 16, square of any number is always positive, root over 32, and this is what? Nothing but 16 to the 16 is what? 4 root 2 unit. Nothing is given, it means unit. So distance of AB must be equal to 4 root 2 unit in this questions. Now we are moving to question number 3rd. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3, -2, -1 are collinear. Determine if the points given points are collinear or not. So what are the condition for collinear? Collinear means when all point lies in a same line segment. Suppose this is A, B, C. This is A, B and C. Question number 3rd. Points are 1, 5. Let me write the point firstly. 1, 5, 2, 3, and third point is what? -2, -1. -2, -1. So A is 1, 5. This is 2, 3, and this is -2, -1. So we have to show these points are collinear or not. So these points will be collinear if we will get the value of AB. If AB plus BC must be equal to AC, then only these are collinear. If AB plus BC must be equal to AC. So let us take for AB. For AB, x1 will be 1 and y1 will be 5, x2 will be 2 and y2 will be 3. So by using distance formula, AB is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this will be what? x2 2 minus 1, I am writing 1 square, y2 3 minus 5 minus 2 square. So this will be root over 1 plus this is 4 root over 5 unit. Root over 5 unit. Now for BC, so x1 will be 2, y1 will be 3, and x2 will be -2, y2 will be -1. Again by using distance formula, BC is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. I am writing here, don't be confused. So BC is equal to root over, here you see -2 -2, minus 2, this minus, then again 2, minus 2 minus 2 will be minus 4. So I am writing minus 4 square plus, and then y2 is minus 1, then minus 3, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 again. And as you know, this will be 4 root 2, because this will be plus 16 root 32. Root 32 is nothing but 16 into 2, and 16 square root 16 is what? 4. So this will be 4 root 2 unit. And the third AC, for AC, I think so directly I can write, or let us take again for AC. This will be x1 will be minus 2, y1 will be minus 1, and x2 will be 1, and y2 will be 5. Don't be confused. I said AC does not mean this will be x1 and y1. This also can be x1 and y1, and this is x2 and y2. So again, by using, let me rub this diagram at least. So by using distance formula, in short I am writing. So this will be AC is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This will be x2 1 minus 2 plus 2 means 3 square plus y2 5 minus or minus plus 6 square. This will be 9 plus 36 root over 45. 45 can be 3 root 5 unit. This will be also unit. This is unit. So you can see this is root 5. Root 5 is approximately 2.24. This is 4 root 2. 4 into 1.414. When you will calculate and add, that will not be equal to this 3 root 5. Root 5 means 2.24, approximately 2.24. So here AC is not equal to sum of AB plus BC. Therefore, points are not collinear. Points are not collinear. I hope you understand. Thank you.